Hello, I wanted to make a quick video to show you how you can quickly trim your Zoom recordings before you send someone the viewing link. Now, here I am in my zoom.us area, so my woostool.zoom.us profile. I have logged in with my single sign-on, and then I am in the recordings tab. And here I'm going to see all of the recordings that have been made using Zoom links that I have created. So I'm going to go find the recording that I want to trim. Let's say this one here. I'm going to click on the name of that. And then I'm going to see my recording files show up here. Now I can click on this recording, and that's what I want to do. And you'll see that there is this scissor icon here that says set playback range. And that is going to be what you use to clip the Zoom recording. So you're just going to click on that. You do need to note that this clip that you're making is still going to show the entire recording if someone downloads this. So it's not getting rid of it, but it will only keep people from seeing it if you're only sending them the link. So just keep that in mind. If you have sensitive information inside of these recordings that you're trying to clip out, make sure that you make it so it cannot be downloaded. So I'm just gonna say, got it. And then here I can set my playback range. So I'm just gonna do that by dragging my option here from the beginning. All right, let's say this is where I want to begin here. Oh, a little further in. All right. And then let's say that I want to clip off a little bit of the end as well. I can just drag that to where I'd like it to start there. And if you want to play it from there, you can, so you can kind of check and see. But once this looks good for you, you just hit save. And now your playback range has been set for that the range that you have clipped. So again, you can now distribute the link to anyone who you want to share this with, and they'll only see your playback range. Again, if they can download it, it will download the entire thing. So just to go over where you find that, you're going to go back to your recording, and you can find the share link here. And then you just want to pop this over if you want them to be able to download it, or keep it off if you want them to not be able to download it. And then here you can get the sharing information, and you're just going to send this link to whoever needs it or to your student.